This six-part Isuzu Connect tutorial series focuses on basic use of a non-customized Isuzu Connect portal to request policy or goodwill consideration from your Isuzu District Service and Parts Manager. Part 5. How to add attachments to an Isuzu Connect case. Begin on the case screen by finding the Attachments button. Click on it. This will bring up the Attachments page. Under File, find the Choose File button. Click it. This will open up file locations on your device. Find the appropriate file, choose it, click Open. Click Upload. Click Choose File again. Select the next file. Choose Upload again. Repeat as necessary until all required documentation is attached to the case. Thank you for your attention in Part 5 of this Isuzu Connect tutorial series. Please click on the subscribe button below and welcome to Isuzu Connect.